Yes, muri muta Uganda kandi rizandyabye biro in fact njaviriye jaheraza kugira naza kwa jabire nka 17 konke rizajyabye biri 16 kandi biri 16 ryo kwa mukaga 2021 kandi tereze kora video platform eji nyine anakansimba ariko bakuzika nyina kandi taho bwire bwinji n'umushija we yagira ata boyfriend rizajya ata kankutwara kimwe ryadara kankutwara kimwe rya serious so kujira post ya ana kansime yaja a beautiful promise. I just might have gotten myself a life partner in the jokes yaja timbasa kuba nafuna umushija ningasho umushija wanje wobwire bwe na just umukuzana so kandi twantreba YouTube ana kansime yaja how it went down when Sky asks kansime okucyagenda irizo kuyamubuza yaja ta I say yes, I'm ready, you take me. So love in the air. Ninjas come and help me celebrate this precious moment yaja mwishe celebrating honanye Sky nataka ntukanje. Thank you for loving me and being my hiding place. Thank you for risking to take a chance on my madness. Kari, I'm gonna to love you. You don't know. No, don't know. You don't know. Don't know. Bantwala anytime now. Ninja agenda. Please mess with me. Shared blessing. I'm canceling 2021. So as I can tell you, kan kokutishen blogging jira mchara wanyu wamani mnonga ana akabanza kuzara umwana w'ubwishi kandi yamuzara rugo mojo wenyine bakwita Sky kandi yireho neco immediately byari Jean Boferi gwenyina akubaritire kuzika atakawiriho bwire Sky njaje atereka nje kwasaganye zo mukira akambase kweto ari umucyara w'amani mnonga otherwise ana twendeze birungi Sky twendeze birungi. Blessings for you always. Kandi sima mwe n'abantu bareba Nkore Media TV mwongere kureba ubundi tukacyuse kintu tukitembya tukiteka revo shanga twashitire tujyaha tubahereza ku rugo mu rembo rwambarara kandi numanya imbere kutwatira ito no tukorera so lokokwe today yana kansi yajati yes kandi every time from now anytime from now ntigatega ngo noza kurira ngo mwishe mupate mwishe tujye pate kandi mwishe tujye pate akuba bantwara musubscribe Nkore Media musharing Nkore Media kabare ntungamo ibanda kirura abahima abanyakuri abaganda abasoga mbona mwena abaturu musharing channel mureke kwate Uganda yona kintu kiteka map. Bless for now. Nimbani kwa na Beazi kandi na Sky nana.
When you give birth, you somehow the love you have towards the father of the child reduces. You know, you're not stressed about the things that they do like you used to. Guys, I was so stressed. I was like, Sky, you forget my okay, I've been in a relationship before where they would forget the anniversary, my birthday, Valentine, like things, days were ordinary, yeah? And now here I am, mom, seated, breastfeeding. The breasts were even still hurting. And he forgot. So I waited. The day after Mother's Day, I pass it just through a conversation, quickly. I'm like, Sky, first wait. Oh, there I am. It feels so good and so strange. I swear, looking at this ring now, I know I've had an engagement ring before, but that was lat. What was I wearing? What was I wearing, you guys? I can't condemned. So I'm someone's suspect. Officially, someone suspects that they're going to spend the rest of their life with me. So if you meet me in the streets, guys, I just can't. Just know what the problem is. I feel so special.